Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. Yes, friends, many of you requested this reading, so here it is now. And a very, very happy new year, friends. Yes, how are you all doing? Wishing you a very amazing, happy, blessed, and safe new year, friends. I wish all your dreams come true, and I hope you continue to love and support Magic Wins Tarot, friends, in this new year. And may our family grow and become even more loving and more connected to spirit, friends. So wow, that was beautiful. So friends, this reading is how your next 3 months are going to be from now, or anytime you watch this reading. I'll be pulling the charms also, and this is a general reading, friend. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And what else? You can buy your own personal 2021 readings by visiting our website, and you can also donate to our channel if you like to, or want to, or have, if you feel like doing that. Some people were asking, some people actually donated to us. So thank you so much. It means a lot to us. Thank you so much. And make sure to subscribe. If you want to donate, you can email me or visit our website, and you can message me through there. And make sure to, friends, subscribe our channel, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. And also at the end of every month, one lucky person will be selected for the free reading. So let's not talk anymore, let's take a deep breath. And today's choices are these beautiful colors. Look at them. So let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1, this beautiful freedom card. Option number 2, this beautiful orange abundance card. Option number 3, the green happiness card. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. So, and you can go and check the timestamps in the comment section, friends. You can also choose more than one pile. You can watch the entire video. Yes, that's also possible. If you want to watch the entire video, you can, friends. It will still resonate with you. So let's see for option number 1, how your next 3 months are going to be. Let's see that. Are you excited? I am. This is a beautiful card. Look at it, what you choose. Freedom. I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. Wow, that is your affirmation or your mantra for the year or for the next 3 months. Freedom. Yes, freedom. I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. This is beautiful, friends. You are moving towards happiness. These are your oracle messages, and this is your advice. We're going to take a look at it shortly. And these are your extra cards. Let's see what is coming. We'll also be getting some charms from here. Oh, wow. Next 3 months, I see that you are currently moving out of a tough situation, friends. Probably you are moving out of a relationship or a job, or you have decided to change your life. No more same old you, same old things. No, you are not accepting anything less now. I also feel that some of you may be shifting, or you are planning to shift or relocate to a new city, a new country. I think you are done with some area of your life. You're like, I'm done with it. I can't deal with it. It's time to move on. And yes, you are right. It is. The time to move on is there. I think some of you have already done this. You have moved on in the last month. You have or in the past few months, you have already done this work. Moving on, but. You're waiting because you have moved on, but the right choices, the right job, the right person, the right people, or the right things you are waiting for have not yet manifested. So you have moved on or you are about to move on in the next 3 months, but you're still waiting for something, like, you're waiting for your dreams to come true, and you're also waiting for your job or the new lover or something to happen. It is like 8 and 4. So 8 is destiny, you are on the right path. 4 is about, yes, what you desire is coming. And laying some, next 3 months, your focus is on moving ahead and waiting for things that you really, really want. I see you working hard in the next 3 months. I see that you are working hard and you are ignoring the things which, I think some of you, your likes, your dislikes have changed. So maybe some of you will, old friendships or old people, or, your food habits will also be changing in the next 3 months. So I think, like, you may have liked orange juice in the past, but now you will not in the next 3 months. I don't know why this message is coming, like your food choices. Or what you eat, how you eat is going to change. Like if you are drinking soda, you will quit it and you will start going more green, or more like lemonade kind of a thing. Like instead of taking colas, you will go for lemonades or healthy stuff, or healthy organic green things. So I see you changing your life, your food habits, your diet, and it is making you feel very happy. And look at that, the Two of Pentacles. So wow, 8, 4 and 2, you are in the, running into even numbers here. So multiples, and Two of Pentacles, you will be very busy. Next 3 months are very busy for you. Some of you are planning, some of you are preparing, some of you are actually traveling. Maybe your job is to travel in the next 3 months, or you will be traveling for education, for love, or for work, or for shifting or relocating. So travel is a big theme. Also, you will be very busy, very, very busy, doing things you love or planning. So get ready, friends. If you are free right now, or if you, I think right now nothing much is happening in your life. So this is necessary, because the coming 3 months you are going to be very busy. So enjoy this free time right now. You are moving away, so enjoy it. Enjoy this free and quiet time, because things are about to get, very, very quick. I also see someone from the long distance might want to meet you and see you. And there is also 7 of Pentacles. Wow, money is coming your way in the next 3 months, and you are laying a strong foundation for money, friends. Yes, you are doing a lot of work, friends. A lot of work you are doing in the next 3 months. You will achieve money. You will achieve some success in your life, in your job, in your career. And I also feel you are going, if you are looking for love, you are going to attract a person who is wealthy, emotionally as well as financially. You, nice. Empress, ooh, you are in a very strong energy, friends, very strong. Some of you are going to really fall in love with yourself, fall in love with your gifts. Next 3 months, you are definitely going to work on your goals, your dreams, your wishes, be it in your career, your love life. Some of you might be getting married also in the next 3 months, or you might be meeting a potential husband or a wife, or a potential soulmate. Long distance, yes, they are from another city or country, and they're gonna treat you like this wife or this, husband material. So get ready. Wow, that's beautiful. I see some of you might be getting pregnant or expanding the family. Yes, that is also there. I also feel that some of you might decide to leave your families. Like if you're living with parents, you might shift away, you might move out. If you're living with friends, you might decide it is time to live alone, because you need some space, you need some change. I see you taking charge of your life, look at that, and feeling very happy. And any changes, you will make some changes in the next 3 months. You will end something and move ahead. But those changes will be good for you. It is good change. It is a destined change. So let's see what else. 9 of Pentacles. Ooh, wow, this is interesting. So definitely money, a lot of money is coming your way. A relief, a sense of freedom. Like this card says, a sense of freedom. So your, goals next 3 months are freedom. You are moving towards freedom, you are moving towards happiness, and some of you are struggling with living alone or independence. I don't know. Is it money that I don't know? Do you have some? Are you struggling with living alone? Are you struggling with confidence issues? Are you struggling like, I can't have this money, money won't come my way, a new job won't come? Whatever you want, it is going to happen. It is coming your way, friends, and in fact you are moving towards it. Success, yes. Money, yes. There is independence, yes. Creativity, yes. If you have started a business, it is going to get better in the coming months, so keep working. Three of Cups, new friendships are coming. I felt here like your friends have changed, or you have right now zero friends. 2020 took away all your friends, I think. So now, new friendships are coming. Yes, friends, new friendships, new celebrations are coming for you. And this is going to be very nice, you know. These are people you can connect with. These are people, you will feel very, these are good connections. They will be, celebrate with you. They will be there with you in the good times, the bad times. I also feel that, if you were in a third party, you will definitely, absolutely will be moving out and saying bye bye. Yes, friends. You are not going to settle for less in the next 3 months. Also, if someone was being very busy, they will come back and talk to you. They are like, hey, I want to talk to you, because someone from the past will be knocking on your doors, knock knock on the heaven's door. I don't think so you will accept them. I don't think so. You are like, nah, I don't want you. You're not taking. You want somebody new. Yes, you will be very defensive and protective towards your goals, friends. So if anyone from the past is coming, you're like, nah, nah, nah. you know? So new friendships are coming your way, celebrations will be coming your way. I see a victory coming your way, a sense of achievement, a sense of power is coming your way, a sense of freedom, that what you can do, anything you like, you can do or achieve anything, any goal you set your mind to, friends. It is amazing. Definitely it is amazing. And let's see what else. I also see that maybe some of you will be, becoming closer to your mother, or, you are attracting some new girlfriends, like female friends. Not in that, maybe some of you are into same sex relationships. So, yes, you are going to find the right people who understand and support you, maybe right friends who can support your same sex relationships. Even your parents are going to understand it, or, there will be a change. You will find people who understand you, support you, and even uh, progress, help you progress ahead. Sometimes it's so tough to be grammatically correct. So you will find friends who will help you to move forward, so it's amazing. And the sun, yes, friends, number 31. 31 is important in the next 3 months for you. So get ready, friends. I see a lot of, actually, I see a lot of success coming your way, fame coming your way, and all your efforts. You will be working hard, you will be busy, that's for sure. Your diet is changing. Some of you will be losing some weight also next 3 months, or you have decided that yes, we are going to change our diet, our weight. Some of you may have become pregnant in 2020, or in the past months, so you are you are setting the goal to lose some weight or something, or change your diet for good reasons, like healthier reasons, like you want to be fit. You don't want, if you are like coffee holics. Coffee holics, whoa. That's a new one. Oh god, I think some of you are used to these words, which sometimes come from me, through angels, through spirit. Like there was that word khushiness, there's this word coffee holics. I don't know where it came from. So yeah, so if you're drinking too much coffee or doing something like that, you're gonna change it, in the next 3 months, and you're gonna do it on your own. Like, hey, I can't too much sweets. Nah, I'm gonna balance it. You're gonna balance it by, and you're gonna be very good at it. I think some of you are going to look good also in the next 3 months. You may also be going out with friends. Some of you may be getting married, or maybe your friends are getting married. I see a baby shower of your friends or in the family. So, congrats, and you are enjoying. Fame is coming, friends. Fame is coming for you. Let's see what else. Mending, number 52. Yes, friends, your heart, your relationships, your love life. Your life is getting better in the next 3 months, definitely. And I see financial success is coming towards you, freedom. I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. Yes, friends, you are going to change your life next 3 months, and you are going to be busy. It will take some effort. It's not going to just drop in your lap, but it is, you are going to really achieve it. And some good friendships, even some people from the past will reappear. But yeah, to be fair, number 38, justice is going to happen, friends. Life is going to come into balance. I think right now you feel like nothing is going in your favor. So rest assured, things are going to work out, friends. Things are going to work out for you. Balance is coming for you. Sometimes it takes a bit of time for things to balance out, but I think, if you have any legal issues, you will find victory. I see some justice happening for you, friends. So, yeah, go for it. And in decision, I use my intuition in all aspects of my life. Some choices will be there, friends, to stay in a connection, to leave a connection, to stay in that job or leave that job, to stay or to move, to travel or to stay, to relocate or not, to stay with parents or to move out. I think change is the right thing for you, but you should listen to your intuition. Look at that. Listen to your intuition. Any choices, I think indecision will be there in I think right now also you are like, what am I supposed to do? Some of you are struggling with your life purpose. You can get your own personal life purpose readings. They are super detailed. But even then, I would say that it is like you have some choice coming up. It is up to you. Whatever you choose will happen. So make a choice, and you know the answers. So go for it. Let's see your advice. Show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. That's interesting. That's very interesting. We are, it is time. This is the Aquarius age, This is the Aquarius age. Maybe some of you are Aquarius, Libra, Geminis, or you can be any sun sign, but it is time to be bold. It is time to take a risk. It is time to show who you are. Maybe you are hiding, or maybe you are not telling the world who you really are, or you are a little scared. I know that. I had been there to myself, friends. I know how it feels to be scared, how not to, it is scary. It's not easy. Especially if you are trying, if this is the first time you are doing something, it is scary. Like, someone asks you to go on a stage and talk. So it's not easy. If someone asks you to go on a stage and act, it's not easy for the first time, especially in front of an audience. It's scary. So it is time you are ready, friends, to show who you are. Take the, fame is coming, friends. Fame is your destiny. Popularity, fame. I also see that some new relationships are coming, but you need to go out, socialize. Take some time to socialize, because you are very busy next 3 months, and you may actually miss out on love if you are just working. So take some time, go to that bar, go to that cafe, go hang out with your friends, grab them by the hand and go. Like, let's make a date, let's have some coffee, let's go for the movies and go. So let's see some charms for you. Let's take 3. 3 is our lucky magical number. Yeah. Pile number 1, next 3 months. Ooh, the seahorse. And look, it looks a little pregnant, isn't it? Good things are coming your way, friends. Some sudden excitement or some sudden surprises, celebrations. And seahorses are also about prosperity and happiness, caring, nurturing, mending. I think you're going to attract friends or lovers which are very caring and very loving. So, you're going to feel like, oh, that's amazing. I don't think so you are used to it, but yeah, it's going to happen. and letters. Ooh. Friends, news is coming. News you are waiting for is coming towards you. And I feel it is about money. It is about, for some of you, it is about work and love, or it is about some important message that you are waiting for. Maybe about a travel, maybe about a promotion. Something is coming, some important message. And this is actually, it feels like a ring to me, like a wedding ring. So maybe some of you are going to have a baby or a wedding, or maybe you are on the path towards wedding, towards freedom, towards finding new relationships. So, and also you are committed to your work. Some business deals are coming towards you. Some, new new contracts are coming towards you. So it's an exciting time next 3 months, friends. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. And this is your Magic Mystic C saying bye bye now, and I see you next in the other reading. And happy new year, friends. Bye for now. So friends, if you choose option number 2, this beautiful abundance card, let's see how your next 3 months will be. Look what this card says. The theme is abundance. Who? Just take a moment and look at this card. Look at especially the chakras on this card. Beautiful. I am a limitless being, and I can manifest whatever I desire in this physical reality. Ooh. Friends, next 3 months are powerful. You are a manifester. You can desire or manifest anything in your life in next 3 months. So, congratulations. These are your oracle messages. We're gonna look at them shortly. Advice, extra message. Let's see. Pile number 2. How are you doing, friends? How are you doing? I hope you are doing good and feeling great. And we made it through this year. Can you believe it? I knew we would. I knew it. And thank you for the amazing love and support, friends, you have given to us. Thank you. Keep supporting. It's been an amazing journey. Lots of hard work, but amazing journey. And I love you all so much. All right, so next 3 months, you are busy. You have a lot of things going on. Next 3 months, you have a lot of pressures, deadlines. I see that you are under pressure next 3 months. It is like, look, this is like, weight of the world upon your shoulders. You have deadlines, you have multiple projects going on, or you have a lot of worries. I think right now also you feel a little weight of the world is upon your shoulders. I feel there is a lot of worries or endings. I don't know, it's not about endings, it's about a pressure that you are feeling, like, oh my god, how will I do this? Some dreams seem impossible, or something seems like, oh my god, how am I gonna achieve it? Maybe you have your families. I think right now a lot of people's expectations are upon you, or you are carrying their weight, like people expect a lot from you. Like if you are a student, people expect you to just win. People expect you to clear exams. If you are a woman, they expect you, or man, they expect you to get married to somebody. So there is a lot of expectations, the weight of that. Maybe I see that in the next 3 months continuing. But right now also it is happening. The 7 of Cups. Yeah, some choices are coming for you in the next 3 months, and there will be choices, there will be decisions to be made. I also see some confusions. You may feel a bit confused whether to choose, whom to listen. Like, I see that, you're doing your best, but still people are not happy around you, or you're not able to achieve this success. So you're like, what's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? I'm doing everything, but I'm not clearing the exam. I'm doing everything, but people are not happy. I'm giving my best to my relationship. So what's going on? Why is it not working? Because some choices are coming for you, and once you choose, I think you have more than one option. You have other options which you are not seeing right now. You may feel like you have only one option to follow what others are saying or expecting, or you have to do just that. But next 3 months, choices will open up for you. You will have maybe other people to love, or other colleges to, get admissions in, or other work areas which will come up for you. So, friends, it is a good time for you next 3 months. Don't feel so bad. Don't feel the weight of expectations. High Priestess, yes, you will be learning a lot. Next 3 months, your intuition will be super high. We are friends, because you have your intuition spot on. And I think we can talk over a cup of coffee and, like, hey, let's talk about it. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. So, your intuition will be very good next 3 months. And next 3 months, I see you learning also, learning something new, or learning, you will feel more connected spiritually, telepathically to someone, some person, or some lover, twin flame. I also feel you will be very connected to meditations, yoga, all these things, and you will feel good about it. I see you also writing in the next 3 months. You will be either writing some affirmations, or writing, maybe some of you will be starting a book in the next 3 months, or something like, maybe you are writing your exams in the next 3 months. So follow, listen to your intuition. You are like, which subject should I study? I have so many subjects. I think listen to your intuition, you will know which one to pick. And the 10 of Cups of happiness. Yes, friends, a lot of happiness is coming your way in the next 3 months. So get ready, and you will find support from your family, or support from your parents, in laws. Also, you will feel happiness. Right now, you are not feeling happiness. 10 of Wands is expectations, pressures, weight, and anxiety. It's like, oh, life is such a load. But 10 of Cups is just the opposite of it. It's like, life is a blessing, life is a gift. I am blessed, I am super happy. So that's the energy. So next 3 months, you're gonna feel happy, friends. You're gonna find relief, you're gonna find happiness, you're gonna find some success, some joy, and support. Very nice. Emperor, you are going to lead, friends. You are going to lead, and you are going to attract more strong people in your life. Like, if you are working, your boss was not at all happy with you, but suddenly 3 months down the line, that person will change and will, support you, and might give you a promotion also. Some of you might become your self leader, so congratulations. Oh my god, you're talking about a twin flame also. Look at that, King of Rods, Aries, Leo, Sag, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Wow. I see you, you will attract a lot of attention next 3 months, and a lot of people are coming towards you. Look at this, friends. A lot of people, a lot of attention, and people, your twin flame wants to talk to you. New people want to talk to you. Someone from your work, your boss, your colleague, or someone junior to you. They all want to talk to you because they see that you are intelligent, you are wise, you have the knowledge, you have what other people need. So, wow. And use your intuition. Look at that, the sun. Wow. I see a beautiful relationship or friendship coming your way, friends. And this could be from a marriage proposal coming your way. It could also be that it is something that you find, like, at your work, this connection at your work, or through colleges, or through marriage proposals. And this person is beautiful, they are your perfect match, and this will be a very positive relationship, harmonious relationship. This person is egoistic, but I feel you both will get along well. They will understand you, and you will understand their shortcomings. Next 3 months, I know, next 3 months, right now you feel like people, you have no power over, no control over people. right now, or over your destiny, or over money or happiness. Next 3 months you will feel more control. You will feel like you have a control or some power to make yourself happy, to control your life, to change your life. So yeah, that is also there. And also some twin flame relationship is changing and shifting. Ace of Cups, who friends, new love is coming. Yes, for absolutely, for some of you it is a new love coming, or a renewal in a relationship is coming. It is a deep connection, and this person, this is a deep love, friends. Look at this, deep love. I feel for most of you, this is a new person coming towards you, and it may come through a marriage proposal or through your work. I also see that you and this person, or you will find someone who can work with you, and together you will create some amazing inventions. Like, how do I say? Like, you are a musician, you find another musician, and you will write, excellent songs, excellent music, and excellent poetry, drawings, sketches, something. You're going to find people who are perfect. I also see a lot of you're gonna connect with your work also. Next 3 months you're gonna find a new connection with your work, find a new sense of happiness with your work. So it's a good time, next 3 months. Tower number 19. Ooh, I do see some unexpected changes will happen. You also have this Seven of Cups where you don't know what to do. So tower movements or sudden changes, sudden decisions may be coming towards you where you don't know what is going on. Maybe this lover will come suddenly, or this new job offer will come out of the blue, but you will have an intuition, that it is something is going to happen. You will know it, but you already might be feeling that something good is going to happen for you. Yes, you are right. The Tower. Some changes will happen, friends. Some of you might recover from a health issue also in the next 3 months. Or some of you, sorry to say that, but some of you may get a health issue in the next 3 months. Why? Because you are working too much and ignoring your health. If you don't do this 10 of Cups, you might get a little bit of health issue, but you will recover from it because you will know, your intuition will guide you what to do. Soulmate number 41. So yes, soulmate connections are coming towards you. A new soulmate, someone who is perfect, someone who is beautiful. Maybe you will have choices in love also, so get ready. And also some of you are changing what really love is. You are thinking about it, you are trying to understand. So next, even if a new lover is not coming, you will try to understand what your past relationship was. And look, there is a key. See, the past holds some key for your love life. The I don't know, I feel a new lover is coming, but even then you will think about the past relationships and learn from them something. So yeah, very nice. Poised. Yeah, a lot of people are coming towards you. You're attracting a lot of attention. So this is brilliant. There is so much attention towards you. There is so much freedom, a sense of like, yes, I can do it. And I see a lot of people getting attracted towards you. So it's amazing next 3 months because you are very powerful. And let's see, success. I know that there is no greater goal than to love. Oh my god, this is beautiful, friends. Look at that. So yeah, success is coming your way, friends, and you deserve it. You have worked for it. I think some of you are waiting for this reunion with a twin flame or meeting the love of your life, and you have done a lot of work. You have waited 10 years, 12 years. Maybe some of you got married to wrong people and then had to leave them. But you are now ready for a new love, for the love of your life. And this person in the next 3 months is coming. Let's see. Advice. Don't let your past hold you back. Oh my God. Friends, this is very powerful. I also told you are looking at the past here. Don't let your past hold you back. Maybe someone from the past is coming. But you should not let the past issues stop you because this time this relationship can work. Secondly, someone new is coming towards you for some of you. So, I think for most of you, it is a new person, but you might not trust them because of the past things that have happened. So, don't do that. Don't let the past hold you back. Keep moving ahead, keep shifting, keep growing. And let's see some charms for you. Wow, pile number 2. Let me see if I can get anything else. Wow, see the grip on these two cards is exactly the same. Look here, you are gripping, gripping, gripping. I think like you're holding on to something too hard. You should let things move, let things open don't hold things. Open your arms. Just let it fly. I think don't control your life too much. Don't control your life too much and don't listen to too much to others, like judgments or expectations. Let it go. You have a right to live your life. You have a right to choose your happiness, and you will achieve success when you do that. So don't worry. If you are wondering if we choose a music, or if we choose if you want to go for administration, we won't be successful because our family says so or someone else says so. I think you will be successful. If you work hard, you will be successful. So don't worry. Let's see your charms, pile number 2. All right, the hand of destiny. So something important is coming your way, or someone important is going to cross your path. It could be a lover, it could be a new job, it could be an insight, breakthrough that's coming for you. So get ready. This is once in a lifetime movement that's coming your way. Horseshoe, you're very lucky. Yes, friends, look at that. Luck is with you. Anything that you start in the next 3 months, excellent, very lucky. Anything that happens in the next 3 months, very lucky for you. And again, you have the message, the email. I feel it is like, message is like, you should read, you should study, grow, keep growing, keep learning, follow your intuition, listen to your intuition. Divine signs are coming. So because I see the cross and I see this mail, so divine signs, you're on the path of destiny. Something destined is coming your way. Oh my god. Wow, so amazing, friends. I'm so happy for you, and many angel blessings. And do make sure to subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, if you chose option number 3, this beautiful happiness card, oops. So let's see how your next 3 months will be. This is the happiness card. The mantra on it is, I'm aware that being happy means that I am on the right path. So friends, I feel happiness is coming your way in the next 3 months. So congratulations. Your focus will be on happiness, on healing. And I don't know why this card reminds me of the Life of Pi movie. So I think maybe some of you need to go and watch that movie, Life of Pi. It's also a book. If you are into books, you can read that. It's a beautiful movie. It is like finding peace and happiness wherever you are, and facing the challenges, and not being scared of it. So yeah. Now, interesting. This is your advice. These are your extra oracle messages. Let's see your cards. This is extra message. And we'll be pulling some charms for you, friends. So let's see what's going to happen in the next 3 months. Ooh, 3 of swords. So friends, I feel right now you're feeling some heartache. You're feeling some, like heartbroken. Maybe someone hurted you, left you, or some relationship got over. Maybe you're facing some financial losses, or maybe you're facing like, you are not at all ready for love or a new beginning in your life. So right now it is that energy. So you will be recovering from this energy in the next 3 months. Some of you, if this is not happening right now, it may happen in the next 3 months. Just be careful. 9 of swords. Yeah, I do feel you feel like restricted. You feel like things won't change in your life. Maybe some of you are having health issues like anxiety, depression. Maybe it's BP or something, high blood pressures or low blood pressures. or you're feeling like, oh, this change, where is my change, where is my life, where is happiness? That's your big question. Where is your happiness? Next 3 months are going to show you where is happiness. What some excite, I feel relief, freedom, I feel happiness coming your way. What else? Let's see. Four of swords. Yes, you are going to recover, friends. You are going to recover from a heartbreak, or you are going to recover from a financial loss. You are also going to recover from any rejection issues. If someone rejected you, broke your heart, you are going to recover, and you are going to feel better. So don't worry. King of Cups. Yes, some offers of love and friendship are coming your way, friends. This person is mature. This person is the right person. This person won't break your heart. This person is understanding. They are compassionate. They are kind. They are loving. And I feel this person and you will have an age gap. So, it will be perfect. They will be able to understand you. Even if they are younger, or even if they are elder to you, they will understand you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, it could be. Four of Wands. Yeah, some of you might end up getting married to this person, or you may meet this person in the next 3 months in a wedding or a celebration. This person could be your twin flame. Maybe you feel addicted to your twin flame, like you have moved on, but they still keep haunting you. So you will recover, friends. You will recover, or maybe find some relief from that energy. I also feel, friends, some of you are desperate to get married, or you feel like you will never find a person to get married. Friends, you will. In the next 3 months, there is a chance you will find people who are suitable for getting married to, who are suitable, whom you can trust and count upon. Nine of Cups, your wishes are definitely going to come true. Even if you don't believe in your dreams will come true, friends, in the next 3 months. I feel it will take a bit longer than 3 months for you to get your wishes true, but some celebration, some happiness is coming your way. Don't lose hope, friends. You're on the right path. And the world, I think it is time for you to step out of your comfort zone in the next 3 months, because I think you are isolating yourself. You keep saying the same things. I'm hearing those things you are saying, like life won't change for me, I won't find anybody, this won't happen for me, I was rejected, someone left me, so this, people just are worthless, people are not at all trustworthy, love is not here, love is a hopeless thing. I think, friends, you are going to change that, and you need to change those sentences. Something needs to change in your life, and in the next 3 months it is going to happen. Some of you may get married. Some of you may feel, you may move out of a twin flame connection, or you have already done so. You have moved on from a twin flame, but you will recover from it. Like your heart has healed, and you will attract a new soulmate in the next 3 months. So get ready. Page of Rods, Aries, Leo, Sag person. And Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is coming your way, friends. This person is, full of excitement. So some exciting things will happen in the next 3 months. Maybe right now you feel like life is so dull, it's so boring. No excitement is there. But I think next 3 months will bring you some excitement. And also you need to show people, you need to go out, sell it, you need to travel, you need to do something. I see that you're isolating, you're isolating yourself here also. I don't want to go out. So go out, friends, travel, mingle with people, talk with people, say hi, and let people talk. If you are the introvert type, let them talk, but say hi, I want to talk to you. I see some of you will be getting some new pet also in the next 3 months, and it is going to be a very mature, understanding, loving pet. The King of Cups pet. I think we should do a pet reading. You should let me know, friends, because they are amazing. Even our pets are our guides and friends, and the most beautiful friends we can ever get. So yeah, they have a lot to teach us and guide us also. So some of you may be getting a pet or something, a new friend, a new connection, and it will bring you joy. I also see some new business deals or something will happen in your work which will make you happy. So don't lose hope. Two of cups, celebrations are coming. Also a relationship will get better or a new relationship will come. So don't lose hope. Soulmate, six of cups, a soulmate is coming. I see this is about soul friendships and soul family. You will maybe some of you are hurt by your family or your lovers, your in-laws, or your husband and wife are hurting you, but you will recover. You will recover. You will find new people. You will find a lot of soul friends, soul family. You will find a lot of happiness through relationships, and I think you are ready for it. So don't say no to love that's coming your way. So yeah, let's see your extra oracle messages. The moon, number 32. This is so pretty. I think, friends, your emotions will be very high next 3 months. I also feel that there is a very romantic connection coming your way. I think you are romantics at heart, but somehow you are trying to behave like a very practical person, and it's not making you happy. You don't have to be very practical. I know it works to be practical in this world, but if you are a romantic person, a kind person, someone who believes in love and who's telling themselves that no, love doesn't exist, I need to focus on work, I need to do this. Don't do that. Don't do that. Love is coming, a romance is coming, creativity is coming, some magic is coming. I also feel you're feeling very unexcited by your work. You're like, it's boring, I don't want to do it, disconnected from work. Happiness, you will find something to be happy in your work. And education. Listen to your dreams. Your dreams will be guiding you. Your dreams are very important. You will have some significant message or a dream, and it will change your life. So watch for it. Let's see what else. A change in the wind. Yeah, some changes are coming. Number 12 is important. So get ready for that. 12th of March, I feel, is important. A change is coming in your life. Truth be told, yeah, someone is hiding their true feelings from you. So I think they are going to tell you. I also feel someone new may be coming. They love you a lot, but they may take some time to tell you that they love you. Time to go, number 45. I think, yes, you are ready for big changes. You are ready to move out of a relationship, or you are ready to move into a new connection, a new relationship. You are ready, friends, for new things. Just go for it. Let me just keep it here. Self-esteem. I possess the gifts of the soul that benefit me and others. Look at that. You have, friends, I think you are currently feeling like you don't deserve anything good or nothing good ever happens for you. You are not lucky. But I think, friends, next 3 months you will feel lucky. You will feel fortunate. Believe in yourself. Don't lose hope. Believe that you will be happy and you can achieve it, whatever you like. This marriage, this goal. Maybe you were once married, you got and now you feel and it didn't work out, but now you feel you can't get married, but you will, friends, you will get married. Look at that. Believe in yourself. And let's see the advice. Believe in the impossible. This is perfect, friends. Yes, you should believe in the impossible. Dreams do come true, friends. Happiness will happen and is coming for you. Let's see some charms for you. Pile number 3. Alright, so my camera keeps moving. I have no idea why. Option number 3, what is coming? Oh, wow. This is an octopus. Look at that. Right, it is an octopus. Yeah, it is an octopus. Wow, octopuses are like, regeneration. I feel you can, your life is changing. A rebirth is going to happen in your life. You will feel happy, you will feel joy. Some of you may get married, some of you may find the work you do more fun, more enjoyable. Some of you will find the success that you were looking for. So get ready, friends. Some rebirth is going to happen. Look at that. Yoga, flexibility, exercise. I think, stay flexible. Things may not go as you plan, but things are actually not going as you planned, but they are actually going to happen in a much better way for you than you expect. So keep flexible, keep looking towards the sun, stay positive. Blessings come in all forms and shapes and sizes, so stay positive. They are like chocolates. All sorts of chocolates are there: milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate. So, friends, don't worry. Don't worry. Keep moving, keep looking forward. And these are the clouds. I think you may be up in the air. You may travel also, or someone may travel towards you, a long distance connection. Something is there about traveling. Clouds means travel. So yeah, that's a beautiful reading for you, friends. Happy New Year. A lot of love. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye.